Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can integrate Zoho Books with Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard on Zoho CRM, but I'm going to go over and switch into Zoho Books just for a second. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings on Zoho Books, scroll down until we get to integrations and marketplace, then click on Zoho Apps, and from here, as you can see, the first app is the Zoho CRM. Then for this, we're going to click Connect, and now you need to select an organization and then sync all these modules that you need. First, when we select an organization, you can select which organization you want to, select and sync, click Save, and the credentials will have been updated. Once that happens, you can now configure your contacts, you can configure your vendors and your items. And as you can see, auto update occurs every 2 hours. If I click configure now on one of these, I'll get the options to select which module in Zoho CRM I want to connect, then select the extent of the sync, whether I want to do it both ways or just fetch from the CRM, choose how to handle duplicate customers, etc., etc. Now, once you set everything up, that should be it. Pretty much once you just select which company or which business you want to connect to, that's pretty much it. You can configure the rest of the things that you want, but that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.